Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Oppo device to Oppo A5 Pro. Begin by opening Play Store on both to get free app code sent anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then tap on the same options in both apps to set them up. I agree and I acknowledge. Confirm, continue and allow. In this window about new updates, choose wherever you want to and then hit your device's displays. Now select Send at the bottom left corner of Oppo device and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of Oppo A5 Pro. Also on Oppo device, using all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files to send. I will go with only a few, just for example. Then hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Got it, in here's some tip pop-up and decide which connection way you want to use. To scan the QR code, use scanning icon above user guide. Close and add. Allow camera access and point your device's camera at the code. To input this key, hit Input Key section. Type in all of those numbers and hit Receive. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!